Dear students, today we will discuss about the history in SSC public examination, social studies. In history, second lesson, Indian national movement. For this lesson, we have one 8 marks question weightage is there. In that questions, non-cooperation movement is one of the important question. So let us discuss about non-cooperation movement. First of all, if any type of question asked on non-cooperation movement, we need to have a gist of some points with us and regarding the overall understanding of the non-cooperation movement. For example, if any question asked, we need to write the introduction for non-cooperation movement. The introduction is like this. The non-cooperation movement 1920 to 1922 was the first large-scale national-wide mass protest launched by Mahatma Gandhi against British colonial rule in India. It was based on the core principles of Satyagraha, non-violence resistance, with the belief that British rule only survived because of Indian cooperation. Next, what are the objectives of this movement? The core objectives are the three. The major three grievances are the objectives of this movement. The first one is Swaraj, self-rule, attaining self-government for India. Second one is Jallian Wala Bagh massacre, redressing the wrongs committed during the brutal 1919 massacre in Amritsar. Third grievance is Khilafat issue, supporting Indian Muslims in their demand to restore the status of the Khalifa in Turkey. Next, now we are going to the what are the main features and activities in non-cooperation movement. First of all, first thing we have to do is the withdraw cooperation from the British. The participants of this movement were urged to withdraw all cooperation from the British. Second one is boycotts. The activity of boycotts is refusal to attend British schools, colleges and law courts, boycotting foreign made cloth and liquor. Next one is resignations. In this part, many Indians surrender their titles. Gandhiji has returned Kaiser-e-Hind title to the British and resigning the government jobs and legislative councils. Next one is promotion of Swadeshi, encouraging the use of khadi, hand-spun cloth and charaka spinning wheel as symbol of self-reliance. Next one is setting up national institutes, setting up alternative Indian educational institutions like Kashi Vidyapit and Jamia Millia Islamia and so on. These are the main features and activities in non-cooperation movement. Now, why it was withdrawn? The Chauri Chaura incident. Gandhiji abruptly stopped this movement due to the following reason, which was happened in Chauri Chaura. Let us discuss about it. In February 1922, the movement took a violent turn in Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh. An angry mob set fire to a police station, killing 22 policemen. Deeply shocked by this deviation of non-violence, Gandhiji abruptly called off the movement on February 12, 1922. He stated that the Indian masses were not yet fully prepared for the non-violent struggle. Next one, what is the significance of this movement? In this movement, mass participation was happened and Hindu-Muslim unity was achieved and political awakening among Indians was happened. In examination point of view, this type of question may be asked. A textual paragraph will be given and make you comment on this. So please go through the lines of the paragraph first, what was discussed, and then you need to comment on this paragraph. The expected answer should be like this. Non-cooperation movement, you need to make a side heading and write like this your answer. The non-cooperation movement had a powerful effect on the economy. People strongly opposed foreign goods and supported Indian products. Foreign clothes were burnt and liquor shops were protested against. Between 1921 to 1932, foreign cloth imports fell by 50%. The value of imported cloth reduced from 102 crore to 57 crore. Many Indian traders stopped selling or supporting foreign goods. People preferred Indian-made clothes over imported ones. This helped increase the production of Indian textile mills and handlooms. The movement gave economic strength to the freedom struggle. So please stop the video at here and read it by heart, or you can take a screenshot at this place. Wish you all the best. Thank you all.